Welcome back. I'm supposed to go at Whitby this weekend, unlike the Goth weekend or the vampires, whatever they call it, and they cancelled it because the fields are bogged out. So you can imagine, half-term week, kids want to go somewhere, can't book anywhere because everywhere's rammed, half the places have shut because the fields are all bogged up. So Missy jumped on Facebook, found some dodgy groups and that, and we found one. Was it Living the Camper Dream? Yeah. And they were all going to Whitby as well, and they've found a place, or they set up a place up at what was it called?
Sunflower Park.
Sunflower Park, and they're doing Gainsborough, and they're doing a big Halloween event now. It's not Whitby now. I mean, Whitby's got it's the best place for that sort of theme, but do you know what? They're doing an Halloween event, so we're going down there. So we're going for a crack. So we just grabbed a Mackey's now. Van is rammed, and we've got Munchie back as well, haven't we?
I'm wearing Wednesday.
Yeah. George is going as Wednesday. I'm going as Beetlejuice. And what are you going to ask him?
I've got no choice. I have to do
Morticia.
No choice. Honestly, when she gets a wig on and that, and little black dress or whatever she's wearing on it, right, she'll be in the spirit of it, you know it. Right, so we'll go get his munched up now, then we'll get going. See you up there. Right, we've rocked up here now. Misty, but it's Halloween-y effect, isn't it, George?
Yeah.
And now Georgia is starting to put decorations out. What's the dog called, George?
Willie.
Willie?
Yeah.
Who's the guy in the ground? Or is it a woman? What's Queen Elizabeth? Where's her gone? You not put it back on yet? Now Kim is munching peanuts again. Right, get this bread in here. And I've got a little surprise as well, and it involves that Mad Hatter's tea party.
That's amazing. They're all fake.
It must have took ages for it to make all that, wouldn't it? Where's it,
Well, I do a
George?
theme, I do all this sort.
Carrot cake.
Wow.
Look at this. Strawberries.
Wow.
There,
Do you know when it first come round, I actually thought it was all real.
And Daddy's taking a picture.
What's that one? You have no teeth, like?
Alice in Wonderland, when she falls down that tunnel, there's all these, look, it says, well, that was the silliest tea party I ever went to. I am never going back there again.
These ones is carrots. We've got a trio here. I have no idea what they're doing, but it looks warm anyway. Give a drink of that. Come on, give it a kiss on those.
Do it! Oh my God.
Give me a kiss, George. Oh, I found the bacons at the back there.
They're not bacons, they're
Oh,
bacon.
George, look.
That sounds right.
Oh, they look like little rats.
Rats? Some of the rats look like our,
They
George.
look like the thingy from that Harry Potter.
What?
That thingy from Harry Potter.
What's the thinger?
I don't know. What is that weird
Oh, they are
thingy
so
from Harry
cute.
Potter that's in the Smiths?
In the Smith?
Yeah, that one.
But nobody knows what she's on about, stick it in comments. Oh, I just dirty my camera. Grot. Gonna be a fight here. Got size it on this thing. Jesus. Hiya. They're massive, aren't they? Right, my slogan, that one, read wrong girls. Make me sick now.
That's a farmer. Dad.
What? Did I? Oh, the battery's gone.
Dad, let me get off.
I can't. Car's not bouncing. Go on, give us a wiggle. Right, that's us all packed up, innit, George? You had a good weekend?
Yeah.
Been good, hasn't it? Van's an absolute bomb site. Just emptied the bog. Oh! Oof, horrible job that. But anyway, no, a cracking weekend. Last minute change, wasn't it? Whitby shut down and that, you know what I mean? So it was, you know, a spare moment thing, and fair play to Mandy and that, they put a good show on this weekend, so. And?
We won 2 costumes and some earrings.
And George won 2 costumes, 2 more fancy dress costumes, and a set of ghost earrings as well, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed this little adventure what we had. I shall see you on next one.